About as good as it's going to get here, Natasha. Although there is some good news with today's forecast, it doesn't look quite as wet, quite as steady as far as the rainfall, at least later this afternoon. We've had some steady rain this morning. It has tapered a little bit to more scattered showers. In fact, you can see up in Bethlehem, it's a little bit brighter. You have the low clouds, but again, it's not raining all that heavily. You head down the shore and that's where the rain has been a bit heavier. It is damp and dreary here in Plymouth Meeting. You can see the raindrops blurring the camera lens. That's what your windshield looks like today as well. And in Center City, we've got the clouds and at least some light rain and drizzle, which will persist through the day. So our latest information coming into the next weather center, the heaviest rain with this coastal low is shifting offshore, which is good news. It's not backing into our area. So we are trending a little bit drier, not only today, but tomorrow as well. The storm will be close enough that it's going to send some clouds and a few shower chances tomorrow, but it doesn't look like it's quite as wet as what it looked yesterday. Still some uncertainty for the weekend, and it's all thanks to another system, which is going to move towards us. And the question is, does it go north or does it stay further south? And that will determine how much rain we see over the weekend. So let's take a look at this first system. First and foremost, you can see there that heavy rain shifting off the coast. And while we do still have rain and drizzle in place, it does look like it's not going to be as heavy through the afternoon as it was earlier this morning. Right now, the steadiest rain is here from Dover into Cumberland County and right up into Atlantic County as well. You can see some pockets there near Millville of some pretty steady rain. And northeast Philly, right on into lower Bucks County, it is picking up an intensity just a bit with light rain and drizzle around the city of Philadelphia. Temperatures in the low 60s right now. It's not going to get much better. In fact, even if we dry out for a time, we're not going to see much of a break in the cloud cover. So we're looking at mid 60s with scattered shower chances through the rest of the afternoon. I'll take you through the rest of the week and the latest on the weekend coming up. Natasha, back to you.
All right, Kate, thank you so much.
Which was actually seasonable. That's right where we should be. But then by afternoon, it was cloudy and then the showers moved in. And today, clouds, showers, and it is noticeably cooler out there. So let's take a look at what's happening. And I'll tell you what, over the 7-day forecast, we don't really have many days that look like perfect May weather. We've got maybe a day next week. Next Tuesday is the next day to look ahead to for some of that. But in the meantime, we're going to be up and down again. You can see it is raining in Atlantic City. The camera lens blurred by rainfall, and we've got this east wind picking up off the ocean. So May is often such a changeable month for us, mainly because we have the cool air still trying to be displaced by some warmer air as we transition from spring into summer, and we still have the ocean water. Big influence for us because the ocean water temps in our area this time of the year are still chilly. So when you get a wind off the water, it is going to make you feel cold. Temperatures are in the 50s in Toms River and Millville. We've gotten to 61 in Philadelphia, and winds are not that strong inland, but we have gusts now to about 25 miles an hour in Philadelphia, or in Atlantic City, I should say, and down to Wildwood, 18 miles per hour there in Dover. Rainfall chances are diminishing a bit, so that's the only good news with this system. It looked as of yesterday as though we were going to be dealing with steady rain even through the evening commute, but it now looks like as we go through the next 24 hours, rain chances kind of dwindle, and while there will be showers around or some light mist and drizzle, nothing all that heavy for the evening commute and no thunderstorms either, so some good news there. Tomorrow we have better than average shower chances, but it's not a complete washout. And the reason for that is the bulk of this system has passed out to sea, so taking the steadiest rain with it out into the open ocean, and that will then lift up into New England. We just have the light rain wrapping in around the back edge of this. Right now, the steadiest rainfall is still over portions of extreme South Jersey, the shore points, and central Delaware. So today, 65 degrees, which is almost 10 degrees below average. 74 is the normal for us. Clouds and showers, breezy and cool again. Tonight is still kind of damp and dreary, a stray shower. Not a total washout, but a shower around, and it's some patchy fog could develop in spots as well. So tomorrow, the system tries to pull away, but it's close enough that clouds are going to wrap back in, and we're going to keep it cloudy and cool for most of the day with a few spotty showers. Tomorrow, trending a little bit drier. So is today, really, as the heaviest rain shifts offshore. You can see the afternoon cloudy, but just a couple of spotty sprinkles here and there. And then as we head into tomorrow, here's that storm. You can see the swirl right here. That's the center of the low tonight. Tomorrow, it doesn't go far, and clouds are just going to rotate back in. If this were just a little bit further offshore, we'd get into some nice sunshine. You may see a little late in the western suburbs, but it's a pretty cloudy day with the chance of a shower. Over the weekend, two potential scenarios. There's a new low that's going to develop. The European model keeps it mainly south of us. The GFS model keeps it a little bit closer. So still a lot of uncertainty with the weekend. I think we have to allow for rain, especially late Saturday into early Sunday. There's a chance we may try to dry out later Sunday, but it stays cool. Next week looks like some improvement on the horizon. Natasha, I'll send it back to you.
All right, thank you so much.